Good morning class. Today I want to describe about pair of linear equation in two variable for class 10th. Exercise 3.6 question number first part 8th. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. Firstly I want to describe about form of pair of linear equation in two variables. Because you can ask question to me what is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is new for you, so you can ask question very easily. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. It is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. You can solve your question by two methods. First geometrical method, second algebraical method. Geometrical method shows three systems. First consistent system, second inconsistent system, third consistent dependent system. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then it shows intersecting line and consistent system and unique solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then it shows parallel line and inconsistent system and no solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then it shows coincident line and consistent dependent system and infinitely many solutions. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Now I want to describe about algebraical methods. There are three types of algebraical method. First substitution method, second elimination method, third cross multiplication method. You can solve your question very easily by algebraical method, but you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration and see the word with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me, so do not forget like, subscribe and share. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. See the pair of linear equation in two variable for class 10 exercise 3.6 question number first part 8. 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y equal to 3 by and 1 by 2 in brackets 3x plus y brackets close minus 1 by 2 in brackets 3x minus y brackets close equal to minus 1 by 8. It is given equation. You reduce given equation and then solve it and find the value of x and the value of y. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. It is very easy. Clear? See the word. Let 1 by 3x plus y equal to u and 1 by 3x minus y equal to b. Then 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y equal to 3 by 4. Here u plus v equal to 3 by 4 or 4u plus 4v equal to 3. It is equation first. Here you multiply by 4 on u and plus v. It becomes 4u plus 4v equal to 3. It is equation first. Clear? And here 1 by 2 common in bracket 3x plus y brackets close. It becomes u by 2. Here 2. So you write it u by 2. minus v by 2, u by 2 minus v by 2 equal to minus 1 by 8. You cut it, 2 1 जा 2 1 जा 2 4 जा 4 जा r u by 1 minus v by 1 equal to minus 1 by 4. r here 4, here 1 and here 1. You multiply by 4 in u and minus v. It becomes 4u minus 4v equal to minus 1. It is equation second. It is equation second. You find equation first. 4u plus 4v equal to 3. 4u minus 4v equal to minus 1. Clear? Add equation first and equation second. Add. Now add equation first and equation second. Add equation first and equation second. Equation first is 4u plus 4v equal to 3. Equation first. Equation second, 4u minus 4v equal to minus 1. Clear? You cut it here, plus 4v minus 4v. Here 4u plus 4u. It become 8u equal to 3 minus 1. Subtract, it become 2. u equal to 2 by 8. Cut, 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8. u equal to 1 by 4. You find u equal to 1 by 4. Clear? Put u equal to 1 by 4 in equation here. 4 equation second or equation first. Put it in equation second. In equation second. Second is 4u minus 4v equal to minus 1. Equation second. Clear? Put u equal to 1 by 4. Here 4 multiply 1 by 4 minus 4v equal to minus 1. Cut it. 4 and 4. It become 1 minus 4v equal to minus 1. Here 1. You write it on right side. Clear? It become minus 4v equal to minus 1 minus 1. Here plus 1. When you write it on right side, then it become minus 1. Clear? Minus 4v equal to minus 2. You cut minus and minus. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. 2v equal to 1. v equal to 1 by 2. You find v equal to 1 by 2 and u equal to 1 by 4. Clear? Hence here u equal to 1 by 3x plus y. u equal to 1 by 3x plus y equal to 1 by 4. Cross multiply. Clear? It become 3x plus y equal to 4. Equation third. It is equation third. Clear? And v equal to, here v equal to 1 by 3x minus y. 1 by 3x minus y equal to 1 by 2. Cross multiply or you cross multiply, it become 3x minus y equal to 2. Clear? You find equation 3 and equation 4. Add equation 3 and 4. Now add equation 3 and equation 4. Clear? 3x plus y equal to 4. It is equation 3. 3x minus y equal to 2. It is equation 4. You cut it. Plus y minus y. Cut it. Here 3x, 6x. 6x equal to here 4 and 2, 6. 6 1 ja, 6 1 ja. X equal to 1. You find x equal to 1. Clear? Now put x equal to 1 in equation 4. Clear? Equation 4. Here 3x minus y equal to 2. It is equation 4. 3 multiply 1 minus y equal to 2. 3 minus y equal to 2. Here you write minus y on right side and 2 on left side. It becomes 3 minus 2 equal to y. Here plus 2, when you write it on left side, then it becomes minus 2. Here minus y, when you write it on right side, it becomes plus y. 3 minus 2 equal to y, 1 equal to y. You find 1 equal to y. Clear? And x equal to 1. Hence, we find x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. We solve question 3. Exercise 3.6 question 1 part 8 by reducing method, and we find the value of x equal to 1, value of y equal to 1. In this way you can solve any question very easily. Solution is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me, so do not forget. Like, subscribe and share. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Okay.